Alright, here's the final result. I got the old board out, everything plugged in okay, except for the main OS drive, which I have as a USB, which was going into the USB, and from that hub it was going into the internal USB here. But that motherboard does not have an internal USB, so before I do anything else, I'm just going to plug the USB drive on one of the USBs back here, turn it on, and see if it it comes back to life like normal. Then I don't have to even use that, but I will need to make a hole if in order to just keep using this cable. I think there are other cables that can go to the internal serial tape. I don't remember if I do have one or not. I don't think I do, but I can't remember. It's been a while since I look at this parts, but everything, as you can see, it's on. Couple of things on that one. The power connector, it's actually over here in the front, so a couple of things were a little different. um, the cables are a little tight because of the new board, since they're behind there, but I was able to get them all in there. They do have a clip on there so they won't come off. I believe I have a little more memory on this one. I had two sticks of RAM. This one I only had one, so I think I might have a little more memory on this one. Anyway, I just need a motherboard to power on. So this is even more simpler because I don't remember if this was a gaming board or not, but it does have a wireless NIC, internal wireless NIC, which I don't need, but it's there. Let's see what else. So here's the other parts. So I got it all cleaned up. I was able to also, hang on a second. So the top two, you still need two connectors for the 8 drives. The header, the USB header that I had right here, going from here to a USB, which it's right here. So I had this USB header going to a hub for the front before. Now I went ahead and plugged it directly to the header on the board. So the two USB ports, the old one and the 3.0 now, will work again without a hub. So that's kind of cool. This just a matter of whether I want to get another cable to go from here to one of the serial ATAs that are on the board itself, somewhere. See, I can't even see it anymore. Not on this side, but they might be on the other side. I think so. Anyway, let me see here real quick. No, it's in the back there. Okay, they're in the back, but they're still there. No, right here in the front. My mistake. As you can see, so pretty accessible. So I might just look for a cable on that. But let me go plug this in and turn it on. I can't put the cover on because of this right now, so it is what it is. I just want to see if I can get back in there.